Chemicals that you need for the synthesis is sodium hydroxide, sodium bisulfate, sulfur powder, and ethanol, which is optional. Take a beaker and add 50 milliliters of water in it. Then add 15 grams of sodium bisulfate. After adding the sodium bisulfate, add 6.1 grams of sodium hydroxide in it. When sodium hydroxide reacts with sodium bisulfate, they undergo a neutralization reaction, producing sodium sulfate and water. Take a beaker again and add 7.1 grams of sulfur powder in it. Then add the sodium sulfate solution that we had made earlier. In this reaction, sodium sulfite in an aqueous solution reacts with solid sulfur to form sodium thiosulfate in solution. This process occurs without the need for a reducing agent like carbon, making it a straightforward method for synthesizing sodium thiosulfate. Heat the solution to increase the reaction speed.
1 hour later.
After an hour, take the solution off the heat and filter it to separate any unreacted sulfur. Now heat up the solution to evaporate. Water for crystallization.
1 hour later.
When the crystals start forming, remove the solution from heat and wait for the solution to cool down.
A few minutes later. One hour later.
If you want to remove this yellow color from sodium thiosulfate, you can wash it with ethanol. When sodium thiosulfate reacts with sulfuric acid, sulfur is produced, causing the solution to turn cloudy. This reaction also releases sulfur dioxide, which has a sharp odor. The test confirms the presence of thiosulfate by forming visible sulfur.